In this lecture, we are going to discuss the primary key constraint. Primary key constraint is a unique identifier for each record in the table. So when you mention a primary key constraint on a column, then all the records in that column should be unique. Let's see what are the characteristics. So very first one is a unique. You cannot have duplicate values into that column. All the values should be non-null. And third condition is that it's immutable. Once the primary key is created, it cannot be changed. And one table can have only one primary key. This is our table, and we can see that the first name can have duplicate values. Last name can also have similar names. Department ID can be same too, and hiring date also can have similar dates, and salary for multiple persons can be same too, right? There is only one column, that's the employment ID, because each employee will have a unique ID. That's why we will create primary key using this particular column. This is syntax for creating a table. We already apply different constraint on these columns. Now we will create a primary key on our first column. Let's replace these two with the primary key keyword. This is how you apply the primary key constraint on your column. And I'm trying to display this primary key using the orange key, and you can see here is also it is displayed with the orange key here. So whenever you will see in next lecture orange key, that means that's the primary key for that table. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.